Well, as you can see, I'm out on the ZX10 today. The totally legal, inspected, insured, and registered ZX10 that I rebuilt. The reason I'm taking this out today is because, as you can see, the ESD light is flashing and the orange FI light is on. So there's some problem going on with that, and I'm trying to figure it out because if you follow me on Instagram, this is supposed to be getting inspected next week, and I don't know if it'll pass with that light on, so I'm trying to figure it out right now. So I figured I would take it out riding because I want to make sure everything's good for inspection before, you know, I go pay all that money for it just for them to say, yeah, it didn't pass. So I'm not sure why that's on. I'm probably going to do the code clearing procedure thing again while I'm out riding, even though it'll probably just come back, I'm assuming. I mean, I hope not, but I don't know what's going on. I love that quick shifter. I also just felt like riding it because I miss it. I miss being on this bike and going fast. So I also kind of just wanted an excuse to get on it. So I'm clearing the codes. Wink, wink. Now that I figured out how to get all my videos in 4K, you'll be able to see this bike in 4K, which is nice. I don't know what's causing the ESD light. The error code I got was from the bike was E2E, I believe, which said was ESD issues, but like, with what? That's the problem. I was reading like forums and stuff, and people were saying it could be so many different things causing that light. One guy was on if he turned his high beams off, but if he turned them on, it went all away. So like, it doesn't make any sense. It could be a battery issue, like low charge. It could be like a loose wire. It could be a whole bunch of different stuff. So it's not a fun issue to have because it's not easy to pinpoint, but I'm hoping I can figure it out and get it to go away before the inspection, just to be safe. Because I'm assuming, since it's an enhanced inspection, you can't have any warning lights at all. But then again, last time I needed one, when I needed it for the Mustang, they told me like if it was something like tire pressure or something like that, it's fine. But they said the airbag light obviously wouldn't pass. So maybe this could be minor enough that it'll still pass. Which, speaking of, I'm probably going to say this again when I go to get it inspected, but I called a place that was only 20 minutes from me that does enhanced motorcycle inspections, and I asked if they would do this. He told me the exhaust has to be stock, which, like, every time I've gotten an enhanced inspection, they told me they basically want the car to be like as it was when it was bought. They want it to be kind of like dealership. So that kind of checks out with the whole stock exhaust thing, but obviously I don't have a stock exhaust and I don't want to pay to put one on, or to get one to put it on. So I called the place I took I don't like that. The place I took the last bike to get inspected because I really like the guy, and talked to him about it. He said as long as it still has a baffle in it, you're fine. So I checked. This bike does have the baffle in it. So he said he'll inspect it, but unfortunately he's busy this week, so I have to wait till next week. But once this is fully like legal, which it is right now, it'll be like my daily bike probably. It'll be the one I use for most of my videos. And then the R6 will be for ones where I want to like just have fun on twisties or mix it up a little bit. Or if I'm going somewhere, I don't know. We'll see. I also still barely have rear brakes, which is fun. But since this is a Kawasaki, great design. If you want to, you know, just work on the brakes like I want to, you have to take the entire back wheel off to get them. So didn't really feel like doing that, just because it's a bit excessive. If it was a Yamaha, I could just take them right off, but it isn't. I'm not gonna lie, it's still kind of nerve-wracking to ride this, just because I know the amount of power it has and the potential. So like it's a little intimidating, but it's fun. Rick said the quick shifter is supposed to work up and down. Mine only works up for some reason. Like I can't shift down without using the clutch. So someone said, I also saw on a forum that this thing kind of has like an ECU of its own, pretty much. And when I picked mine up, this was unplugged. It was just hanging out of the end. So all I did was push it back in. So I don't know if it's even working, to be honest. I don't know if maybe that's the problem. Is this? Because I could just pull this out very easily. But like I said, I don't know if that's the actual problem or if it's something else. And I don't know. I feel like that wouldn't be a cheap fix. So, or an easy one based on where the cord is going. So I'm just going to pretend it works, because it's my bike, so I'm not selling this and endangering whoever buys it from me. I'm just putting myself at risk. This bike looks so nice in the sun. Oh my god, never mind. It does work down. Well, that's weird. I'm gonna try that again. Oh, it does. Okay, I guess it's just picky when you do it. Well, shit. I'll take it. I don't know why it wasn't working when I was trying it then. That's so weird. I'm gonna try it right now. See? Now it's not. What the fuck? Now it did. That's so weird. I guess it's just finicky. I don't know. We're about to really play with the quick shifter now. Get some 2-lane highway. And a pimped out Focus. Oh, they'll definitely want to race. They stepped on it as soon as they got room. Yeah, they're going pretty fast. I would like really give it some gas to catch up to them, but I'm still getting used to this bike. Like I said, it still makes me nervous. So I'm playing it somewhat safe. You know that stomach feeling you have when you're getting onto a roller coaster that you know is about to like go flying and go upside down, do a whole bunch of crazy stuff? So you get that like sinking feeling in your stomach where you're like really like anxious or nervous, I guess. That's what I have speeding up on this, just because like there's so much that could happen. I'm in my own head about it, but like it's still fun. Gave me the thumbs up. I'll do a little 4th gear pull. So I think the reason reason the quick shifter wasn't working down for me, only up, was because I wasn't giving it enough gas. But that's because I wanted to shift down. And normally when you're doing that, you're not giving it gas, you're braking. Or at least you want to slow down. So it's confusing to me that you have to be giving it gas to shift down. Let me try it. Yeah, more, if I give it enough gas, then it'll work. But you have to give it more gas to shift down than you do to shift up. That makes no sense to me whatsoever. Kind of wanted to stop there, but it's a little late now. I would love to hear what a flyby on this sounds like. I'll have to get one of those someday. I'll probably do it at that lake, actually. I'll have the camera right there. Just fly past. At the speed limit, of course. I think I'm going to end this one here before it ends up getting too long. I think it should be more than 6 or 7 minutes by now. Hopefully. I don't want to keep uploading really short videos for you guys. So I'm hoping that one's long enough. Should be. Well, this is... I chose a bad spot. I chose a really bad spot. Yeah, well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was entertaining. Hope you guys like the new bike. I very much do, even though it's a little scary. Won't deny that. I still really enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. So I hope you guys like it as well. I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, I'm gonna head back. Try to think of where I can just get run over, apparently. Yeah, I don't want to go behind her because she's going to go like 40 in a 55, so I'm going to sit here for a little bit, but I'll have a little more fun with this on the way home. Probably pull over somewhere to do the whole code thing. Hope that it stays cleared, but I doubt it. I don't know what's causing it. I'll have to figure that out. But again, thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you on the way home. Later.